Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to create a hidden shared folder on Windows 11. This is perfect if you want to share files on your network without the folder being easily visible. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the folder you want to share. Right-click on the folder, then select the Properties option. Avoid using sensitive folder names to maintain privacy. Go to the Sharing tab and click Advanced Sharing. Check the box labeled Share this folder. To make the folder hidden on the network, add a $sign at the end of the folder's share name. Click Permissions to set access rights. Add users or groups who need access. Assign permissions like read, change, or full control. In this window, you'll find a list of users the folder is currently shared with. If the user you want to share with isn't listed, enter their username in the field at the top and click Add. Then use the drop-down menu in the Permission Level column to set their sharing permissions. For instance, select Read or Write if you want the user to have both read and write access. I will add the Everyone group. This is just for testing. When you're finished, click the Share button at the bottom. Adding the $sign ensures the folder is not visible during regular network browsing. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type the folder's path in the format. Replace IP address with your computer's network name if you want to. Provide your username and password for access. This ensures security and that's it. You've successfully created a hidden share folder on Windows 11. It's an easy and secure way to share files without everyone on your network seeing them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.